If you've forgotten your Skype password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Skype sign-in page. Open your web browser and navigate to the Skype sign-in page. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to begin the password reset process. Step 2. Enter your Skype username or email. You will be prompted to enter your Skype username or the email address associated with your account. Fill in the required information and click Next to proceed. Step 3. Choose a verification method. Skype will ask you to choose a verification method to confirm your identity. This could be via email or a text message to your registered phone number. Select your preferred method and click Send Code. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Check your email or SMS for the verification code that Skype sent you. Enter the code in the provided field on the website and click Next to continue. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, enter it, and confirm it. Click Next to finalize the reset. Now you can log into Skype with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider using a password manager for future reference.